Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide Instagram chat without deleting messages. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on your profile picture in the right bottom. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Once you are here, you simply need to click on business tools and controls. Once you are here, scroll down and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on switch account type and you need to switch to professional account. As you can see, I already switched. Then you need to go back, click on messenger icon on the top right. From here, let's suppose you want to hide this conversation. Simply need to hold that and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on move to general and now you can see that it is hidden from here and it is in the general folder. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.